When creating a thumbnail for YouTube, the size you want to aim for is 1280 by 720. When designing your image, you want to frequently zoom out to see what it looks like when it's smaller, because that's how it's going to appear on YouTube. Pay attention to any details that are lost when shrunk down. For example, this dark text starts to become hard to read when made smaller. The fix here would be to go for something larger and brighter. If you're working in Photoshop, a tip is to have the Navigator open. So I'm just going to go to Window Navigator, because that's going to give you a nice thumbnail preview of your image. That way, in the main canvas, you can zoom in and work at 100%, but always have a sense of what it's going to look like when it's smaller via that Navigator view. When it comes time to export, you want to export as a PNG or JPEG file, and you want to keep it less than 2 megabytes. To do this in Photoshop, I like to go to File, Export, Quick Export as JPEG. If you don't see JPEG as an option, you can go to your export preferences and change your quick export format. For quality, I have it maxed out at 7, and given 1280 by 720 is really not that large of an image, this is always going to export under that 2 megabyte maximum.